Hey guys, hello and welcome to this YouTube series. I'm Anisha Gupta and we're talking about cryptocurrencies yet again. It has been amazing time past few weeks and we have seen all-time highs being yet again hit in case of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano and Dogecoin. While the other cryptocurrencies clearly are gaining as we saw Coinbase listing on Nasdaq, we saw some more institutional interest coming in, some more big names that attaching themselves to many of these cryptocurrencies. But Dogecoin is a different deal altogether. The main point is that in this week, in one day, it gained up by 85%. It has gained 2,800% in 2021 till time, leaving behind many of those better cryptocurrencies as well. And then when you look at the last 5 years, Dogecoin has gained up by 29,000%. I mean, there are very less things that would come even closer to those kind of returns. But that's exactly what this meme cryptocurrency has done. Well, it was developed in 2013 in December. When you look at the last week or 10 days, it has been one of the top trends on Google search as well. A lot of people want to read about it, know about it, search it, and invest in it as well. Well, where it came from, it was an internet parody actually in 2013, and Shibu Inu was a popular internet meme dog, and that is where the Dogecoin gets its face from. We have seen internet actually go berserk because of this, and there has been a lot of interest on this one. It actually now is ranked as one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market value. So when you look at the market capitalization of Dogecoin, it stands at a tall $16.5 billion. You can buy Dogecoin just like that, or you can buy it on exchanges or using faucets. Now, faucets is those websites which offer smaller quantity of many of these cryptocurrencies. So and they also have the timing between them, between when you can actually pick these cryptocurrencies for a very lesser volume or a value for that matter. So this is a trend that also seems to be picking up quite fast right now, because the way the cryptocurrencies are priced right now, it is not within everybody's reach to buy a full cryptocurrency, one Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. So people are buying smaller decimals or faucets of it. That really seems to be warming up right now. But coming back to Dogecoin, and this has been in news since Elon Musk talked about it. You had Mark Cuban showing support to Dogecoin, and then there has been coordinated buying by those Reddit communities as well, which has put the Dogecoin on where it stands right now. Well, it was created as a meme to have fun with in sense of internet. It has no underlying value and it has no specific use case. Dogecoin actually is seen quite trivial in the face of other powerful cryptocurrencies like a Bitcoin, which has a lot of value. It has a limited supply into the international markets, or you have an Ethereum, which is a very strong decentralized blockchain in that sense. So other cryptocurrencies have uses, they have intrinsic value, and they have institutions buying as well. In case of Dogecoin, the markets do not believe that you will have institutions coming in for this one. It may not have serious players coming in. As of now, it is only community driven, but the way it is firing up, the kind of frenzy that it has around it, and the kind of returns it has given to people, people do want to earn some interest or returns out of it. And that is the only reason you have Dogecoin running up as well. As I said, it is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies and has hit an all-time highs in this week on the back of very strong